this video guide, we will give you instructions to remove the ransomware that is called Zzzz. The ransomware is the new variant of Locky ransomware. Apart from minor differences, it is also identical to Thor, Odin, and ASR ransomware. Following infiltration, Zzzz encrypts various files using asymmetric encryption algorithm and renames them in a special manner, eventually adding the special Zzzz extension. So, before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files easily without any troubles. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. As I said, the ransomware starts immediately encrypting the data, and after the data gets encrypted, people see this special Zzzz additional extension added. The point is that simply removing this extension does not decrypt the file. You still cannot access your file anymore. And this happens with all the files that people store on their hard drives. The ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. But paying the ransom, of course, doesn't mean that the files will be restored. I would recommend you to open the task manager in your computer and end the processes that are suspicious. If you see some long processes with the random names related to the ransomware, you need to end their task to stop the further file encryption. Now, I would also recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and my suggestion is that you, of course, do not pay the ransom. By the way, this is the scary message that is given by the ransomware. It is called How to Decrypt, and this scary message is placed into each folder that contains some encrypted information. So how to remove this ransomware? I would strongly advise that you immediately download the special software that will help you to identify it on your computer. Go to the C drive or other system drive, choose program files. Then start Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. And I would recommend you to download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware through the official website combocleaner.com. This application will help you to detect and delete this ransomware and to protect your files from being damaged in the future. So use this download Combo Cleaner button, download the application and start checking your system with its help. After you successfully download and install a Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.